Today is a really exciting day because I have with me the new AirPods 2. These AirPods 2 have been long awaited. I've gotten so many questions about when the new AirPods are coming out, and they are finally out. So I'm really excited to show you guys these. Now, not a lot has changed. There is a new wireless case. There is a new H1 chip that's inside of these AirPods, which helps with connectivity, range, and battery life. But there's not too many changes. There is also an optional wireless case, which is supposed to work very well with any QI charger and also with the AirPower whenever that actually comes out. So I actually started my YouTube channel off with my very first video on the first generation AirPods. So I'm excited today to show you guys the second generation. And if you have been following me along since the first video that I've ever posted on AirPods Generation 1, then I thank you. So let's get started in opening these up. So on the back, you see the new wireless charger. Other than that, nothing has really changed with the packaging. It actually looks very similar to the first generation ones. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I know a lot of people were hoping for a massive redesign, but these are actually supposed to be a very incremental update, which is kind of good for all those people that bought AirPods over the holiday season. So we're gonna open it up. See the traditional design by Apple packaging. We see the new AirPod case. So let's take this out. It looks super clean. Wow, my previous one has gotten so scratched up, but my God, this looks so nice and clean. That is really nice. Let's go ahead before we open that up. Let's see what's in the packaging. So we have the usual AirPods. We have the guides for the AirPods. Shows you how to use them. Nothing has changed. The only big difference is that you can now say, "Hey Siri" on these. So that's actually a really cool feature because now instead of tapping, you can actually just whisper to it and change the volume, change the song, do whatever you need to. So this is actually the first step, I think, into the new crazy wearables technologies where you're actually talking to technology. This case looks super clean and super fresh. Let's go ahead and see what's underneath this. So here we have the typical USB to lightning cable. Nothing exciting there. But as you've noticed here, now we have the LED indicator that's right here. Before it used to be over here. You also see a slightly different hinge, but it still has that same satisfying open and close. Now let's go ahead and connect these to my iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock my iPhone. I'm going to put them next to each other, and they have been recognized. I'm gonna press connect. I'm gonna press done. And that was it, they're already paired. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and I'm gonna give you guys a first impression of the AirPods 2. Okay, they already seem loud. Go ahead and play a really good song that I'm listening to right now. So based on the song I just listened to, these AirPods sound incredible. This is no surprise since the first generation AirPods sounded pretty amazing as well. So this is not a surprise here. They do sound more clear though, and they sound really, really nice. It kind of reminds me of my first impressions when I heard the HomePod, which was really good. So based on my first impressions of the AirPods, these things are going to sell like crazy. If you're getting them with the standard charging case, it's the same exact price as the original AirPods. If you're trying to get for the wireless charger like I did, that's $200. In the end, it's up to you what you want to do and what's based off your budget. But I do recommend getting the wireless charger case because it does make things a lot easier, especially if you have a wireless charger, which can be bought from Amazon for a very cheap price. Overall, I'm really impressed with the AirPods, and I'm excited to use these also because my other AirPods, the battery were dying. Those were originally 2 years old. So I would say the lifespan for these AirPods are about 2 years. Let's see how long these last. So I'm really excited to continue using these. And if you like this unboxing video, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm probably gonna do a week with AirPods review, so look out for that. See you guys soon.